Hi, it's Tyler from Thinkware Customer Support, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disable or enable audio recording for your Thinkware camera. We're going to start off today with the U1000. For the U1000, to disable or enable audio recording, all you have to do is press the microphone button once, like so.
Voice recording disabled.
To enable, one more time,
Voice recording enabled.
and that's it for the U1000. For the Q800 Pro, again, just the microphone button once to disable or enable.
Voice recording disabled. Voice recording enabled.
Now for this model, it also does apply to the F800, F800 Pro, and QA100. Now, moving on to the F200 here. For this one, it's a little bit tricky, and you're going to want to be careful to not hold down the record button for longer than 3 seconds, as you can accidentally format your memory card and delete all of your footage. So, to enable or disable audio recording for this model, we're going to be holding down the record button for 3 seconds. If you hold it down for 1 second, it will just start the manual recording. If you hold it down for 5, it will format the memory card. So, like this, we're holding it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Voice recording disabled.
One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Voice recording enabled.
Now you want to hear that beep, and as soon as it beeps one time, just let go, and then it'll either disable or enable audio recording. Remember, 5 seconds will be a format, and 1 press will be manual recording. I'll show you what both of those look like right now.
Manual recording will now start.
And now, format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Voice recording disabled.
What's it? Yeah.
Okay.
This
And
one.
now for the format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Card format will now start.
And there you have it.
Memory card format completed.
Okay, there you have it. That's how to disable or enable audio recording for your Thinkware Dash Cam. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.